Hey, raise your hand if you've ever thought building lean muscle meant expensive gym memberships. I have to consume expensive protein shakes, or sweating next to that trainer who grunts like a wounded walrus. But what if I told you that everything you've been told about getting toned at home is wrong? And that you could start seeing real result with just 15 minutes a day, zero equipment, and with that bag of rice sitting in your pantry? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a stupidly simple 3-step system to build lean muscle faster than you ever thought possible. And yes, absolutely, while wearing pajamas. Let's get real for a sec. I used to think building muscle at home was impossible. I'd try random YouTube workouts, get bored after 3 days, and then convince myself my genetics were broken. Sound familiar? But here's the truth. 99% of people overcomplicate this. They waste time on fancy programs, buy gadgets that collect dust, or obsess over protein timing, while ignoring the one thing that actually works. And today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint I used to gain 12 pounds of lean muscle, right here in my tiny apartment. No gym, no excuses, just science-backed strategies that anyone can do. We're breaking this down into 3 steps so simple, and you'll wonder why influencers never talk about them. The Minimalist Muscle Method, the $0 kitchen hack, the 10-minute recovery secret plus. I'll show you exactly how to tweak this if you're a total beginner, a busy parent, lazy fatty person, sticky low energy person, or someone who's allergic to burpees. Stick around till the end. I've got a free printable workout calendar and a 30-second quick win demo that'll make your arms burn today. Deal? Let's dive in. The Minimalist Muscle Method. Let's talk about why this is called the Minimalist Muscle Method. Minimalist? Because we're stripping fitness down to the bare essentials. No gear, no gym, no guilt. Muscle? Because we're building strength, not just sweating for the gram. And method? Because this isn't random, it's science-backed simplicity. But here's the secret. Minimalism isn't about doing less. It's about doing exactly what matters. Think Marie Kondo, the organizing guru, teaches people to declutter their lives by keeping only items that spark joy. If something doesn't bring you happiness or serve a purpose, you thank it and throw it. The exactly what we are learning in this method. Repeat after me. Complexity is the enemy of consistency. You don't need 20 exercises. You need 5 moves that work every major muscle group. Push. Life's full of push-worthy moments. Heavy doors, stubborn strollers, and that toxic ex's text. Strengthen your chest, shoulders, and triceps while plotting your comeback tour. Place hands on your couch or counter wall. Walk feet back and lower until your ego almost touches the cushion. Push up like you're rising from your 2020 lockdown slump. The steeper the incline, the easier. Pull. Did you see Tug of War? When life drags you, drag back. Towel rows sculpt your back, biceps, and posture, because slouching won't intimidate anyone. Loop a towel under a sturdy table, grip the ends, lean back, and pull your chest to the edge like you're reeling in a Netflix binge. The more emotional baggage you've got, the harder you'll flex. Hinge. Hinging equals power for stairs, sprinting after ice cream trucks, and surviving leg day memes. It targets glutes, hamstrings, and balance your body. Grab a detergent jug, backpack, or confused pet. Kidding, maybe. Hinge hips back, lift one leg, lower the weight, then rise like you're avoiding Monday mornings. Squat. Squats equals a full-body cheat code. Pistol squats, torch quads, glutes, and core stability. Stand, extend one leg, and lower onto a chair like you're dramatically accepting defeat. Then push up like you're rebooting your Wi-Fi. Pump. Heart health equals non-negotiable. Cardio burns stress, boosts stamina, and preps you for life's plot twists, chasing buses, toddlers, or deadlines. Sprint in place for 30 seconds, knees high like you're stomping regrets, then march for 30. Repeat 5 times. No space. Run stairs. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps 3 days a week. Cardio 2 to 3 times. Done. No machines, no memberships, no waiting for motivation. Now I will tell you why Minimalist Muscle Method works. No fluff, all gains. Targets compound movements that hit multiple muscles at once. Zero barriers. Uses items you already own. No gear, no excuses. Time-friendly. 15 to 20 minutes, 3 days in a week. Perfect for busy humans. Sneakily empowering. Proves you don't need complexity to get strong. I don't need a gym, I need intentionality. $0 kitchen hack. Raise your hand if you've ever wasted $50 on protein powder that tastes like wet cement mixed with regret. Put your wallet down. I'm about to ruin the supplement industry's day. 21 grams of protein, cheap, unpretentious, probably already lurking in your pantry. Yogurt. 17 grams, creamy, versatile, also doubles as a face mask when you're crying over squats. And this? Pure joy. 8 grams per serving. Smash all 3 into a blender pouring the smoothie into a glass, taking a slow sip. Boom, 50 grams of muscle building magic. Total cost, $2. Total effort, you know it very well. Here's the real hack. Your muscles don't need a spreadsheet. They need a snack within 30 minutes of your workout. Yes, even if that workout was hauling laundry upstairs or sprinting away from small talk at a family BBQ, your body's not a science project. It's a hungry toddler. Feed it something fast, egg, nuts, even a spoonful of peanut butter, and it'll love you back. Consistency beats perfection every single time. The 10-minute recovery. Here's the cold, hard truth. Skipping recovery is like pressing the accelerator and brakes at the same time. I learned this the hard way, plateauing for months because I thought, more grind, more gains. Your muscles grow when you rest, not when you wreck them. So let's fix the recovery concept. 2-minute breath work, the cortisol killer. Stress hormones inhibing recovery. Cortisol turns your body into a muscle-eating panic machine. Hold up 4 fingers. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Out for 4 seconds. Science says this drops cortisol 30% faster than just chilling. Do it post-workout before bed or mid-argument with your girlfriend. By doing it, you're literally hacking your nervous system to say, we're safe, build muscle, burn fat. 5-minute lazy mobility. Your fascia, the cling wrap around your muscles, gets tighter than skinny jeans after Thanksgiving. 5 minutes of lazy stretching while watching Netflix? That's oil for your joints. Mobility isn't flexibility. It's keeping your body free from creaking like a haunted house. Gentle movement pumps fluid into stiff joints, flushes waste from muscle. 3-minute cold exposure, the pain slayer. Cold exposure isn't a TikTok trend. It's biological witchcraft. Dunk your face, soak your feet, or hug a bag of frozen peas. 2 minutes of cold equals 20% faster muscle repair. Inflammation dents your progress. Cold shocks your body into healing mode, like a reset button for your cells. Your blood vessels constrict, then flood back with oxygen-rich blood, power washing soreness away. Recovery isn't self-care. It's the difference between thriving and surviving. 10 minutes, 3 steps, no gear. Your future self will high-five you when you're lifting heavier, sleeping deeper, and finally seeing progress. Your body's a temple. Stop treating it like a 24/7 demolition derby. Before you hit pause, let's get a quick win. Grab a backpack. Do 10 of push-up right now. Feel that burn? That's your muscles waking up. Imagine doing this 3 times a week. In 30 days, you'll be shocked. But first, let's crush the biggest myth holding you back. Building muscle isn't about willpower. It's about working with your life, not against it. You don't need perfect workouts. You need progress. So tomorrow, eat 1 extra egg. Celebrate 1 tiny win. I'm rooting for you. And hey, if this helped, tag me in your day 1 story. Let's prove the doubters wrong. Be healthy, goodbye.